It's corn season, and honestly, I couldn't let this time of the year pass without making a delicious pot of cornchaff. There is something special about harvest season. It reminds us of God's faithfulness and blessings. He provides just as the Bible says. There is a time to plant and a time to harvest. This is definitely a season to enjoy the fruits of the land. So today, I will be sharing my cornchaff recipe with you. It's simple, comforting, and packed with flavor, and perfect for the season. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'll be using fresh corn, cow skin, smoked fish, crayfish, onion, 2 medium size, African nutmeg, bush pepper, garlic, ginger, and country onion, also known as rondelle. We have our beans, palm oil, clean as always, a mix of some green spices here, pepper, some seasoning cubes, and salt. After washing and cleaning the corn, I'll go ahead to remove the corn kernel from the cob. I'll do that using a knife. I'm cooking a large quantity of corn, and as I said in some of my videos, with these meals that require a lot of time to get ready, I prefer to do the boiling in my firewood kitchen. So I'll pour some water into the pot and turn my corn into the pot as well. Then I'll add in enough water to cover the corn completely. Then I'll allow the corn to cook for about 45 to 60 minutes, adding water when necessary. After about 45 minutes, open the pot and add in some salt. This will improve on the taste of the corn. Then allow it to boil until tender. At this stage, the corn is already ready. Now it's time to cook the beans. Pour the already washed beans into a pot and add enough water. Allow the beans to boil until tender. Once the beans is tender, pour it into a strainer to remove the excess water. It's time to mix the corn and the beans. I love mixing them in equal proportions. 1 pan of beans equal 1 pan of corn. Now comes the part that transforms this simple dish into something truly delicious. I'll pour in my spices, the ones I showed earlier. Then I'll add the smoked fish into the pot. And then my onion, as you can see, I already diced the onion. Some seasoning cubes, salt to taste, give it a good mix. Then pour in the oil, that signature oil, signature palm oil. This oil is so good. Allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, come in with the cow skin. As you can see, it is well cooked as well. Give it a good mix to spread the cow skin evenly into the pot, and add in your green spices, pepper, crayfish, and country onion. Guys, you want to leave your country onion till the end because it gives that nice flavor, that aroma in the cornchaff. Now let's allow everything to simmer together. As it cooks, you will notice the broth becoming more flavorful and thicker. Let's check on our cornchaff. The beans is soft, the corn is perfectly tender, and the aroma is absolutely amazing. This is exactly what we are looking for. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to Nagai's Haven for more wholesome meals. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.